Greetings, glitter goddesses. I just finished my Easy 6x8 album with the baby's first year theme, and I am gonna share it with you. I'm super excited. I used the Hello Baby collection from Simple Stories. I had a pad of it in my stash, but Simple Stories also sells it as a digital paper, so you can still get it if you don't have it in your stash and you want to make this album exactly. So like I had a paper pad, but they do sell this collection digitally. If you don't have a wide format printer to print your own paper at home, you can always have your papers printed at your local print shop. They can definitely help you out. Their prices will be good. So you can still get this printed even if you don't have this paper. So this album's pages are 6.5 inches by 8. I have a simple heart there, and I'm giving this as a gift to a friend. So I've got my, signature there. It's kind of like the card. Each page has the same setup. So there's one magnetic flap here to hold things in this pocket. All right, so all the pages have a pocket, and I've just put 2 4¼ by 6¼ photo mats in that pocket so that the recipient knows that this is a pocket and has an idea for something that can go in the pocket. And then on the front of each pocket, I've put the card from the paper collection that has the, date, height, weight, details, precious moments, so that that's a record of the growth and memories through the months. And then of course on the back of this there's room for a photo. Then when you flip to the back of the page, there's a 4x6 photo, room for another 4x6 photo, and then room for another 4x6 photo here, and then a place to do some journaling and note taking as well. So that's the first page. We've got page 2. There's the 2 for the card, this adorable little sailboat from the collection, and then more room for photos. And every step of how to do this album was covered in the playlist for this album, which is the Baby's First Year album playlist. So if you go to my YouTube channel and click on playlists, you can find a playlist for this book and see every single step in real time, because I made it all live on camera and it's all in that playlist. So here's page number 3. Page number 4 is the ruler page, loved beyond measure. And then that's on the ruler background. And of course, more room for things in the pocket. More photos here. Great way to use a bunch of different patterns of paper to make an album look really vibrant, but without using like a ton of paper. So I still have some paper left from the pack. Like I didn't use the entire pack. Cutest baby ever. Of course, every baby is the cutest baby ever. Of course. It's all about me, which is a sentiment that I completely agree with. This is a mouse pad my husband bought me like 10 years ago. So he knows it. I know it. So it's all about me. Again, there's room for 5 photos just with what I've included in the photo mats on the front, and another 3 photos with just what I've included in the back. So it's 8 photos per month layout. So there's plenty of space for photos without her having to add anything. Baby, month number 7. So cute. Showered with love with the umbrella with the hearts. And this book goes together pretty quickly. I would say I spent 9 hours on it, would be my guess. 9 to 10. So, you could do it in a couple weeks without going crazy, precious moments to do some little journaling. And again, lots of different patterns on display. Nice little floral Polaroid here. I did this base is the Color Made Smooth and Silky cardstock in the color Honey, which is a nice, it's just a beautiful warm yellow. I really like it a lot. Insta Sweet. And then of course I saved the cupcake for the last month because that's the month the baby will have their birthday. And we're celebrating you. So there we go. So that's the easy 6x8 album. You can see that we're still much wider at the spine than we are at the front, which means there's plenty of room for this to get stuffed and photos to be added without it going crazy. So I'm really happy with how this little book turned out. The baby is due in December, so I'm actually ahead of schedule, so I can get it sent off and it'll be there well before baby comes. So thank you so much for joining me for this album, and I hope you go. I'll make sure to have the playlist link below so that you can check it out and see how the album was made and make one of your own. So thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.